Hello everyone and welcome. Not quite sure what day it is today. I will look it up and stick it in the video title. But mileage at the moment is 19,438. Now this is a video today that I never planned on making, and certainly not making this soon. But yes, the RS is going. This is my last drive in the RS. I'm on my way right now to go and pick up its replacement. As I said, this wasn't really in the plan, the long-term plan. When I bought this car from Ford, the plan was to keep it and hold on to it for about 10 years. And you know, in terms of driving it, I absolutely adore driving this thing. It is truly epic on roads like this, you know, nice country roads. There isn't much that can touch it in terms of how it makes progress and how it feels. So why am I getting rid of it then? Why have I suddenly got to this point where it's time to move on? It's time to try something else. There's a number of factors really, but mostly it's just the ownership experience of this car. It isn't anything like I expected it to be. As a car to drive, as I said, it is a fantastic thing to get to pedal down a road like this. I will never tire of the way this thing goes, the way it sounds, the way it feels, the grip, the traction, the adjustability of it, the way the back of the car moves. Ford really did come up with something special with this car when they conceived it. The concept, absolutely fantastic, but their execution and delivery of the final product to the customers has left a lot to be desired. So let's talk about my history with this car. You know, I took delivery of it in May 2017. Brand new car. At the time that I took delivery, there were reports of a few head gasket failures, a few engines going, but I thought, okay, there may be a problem there, but surely by now, at the time that I take delivery, they will have sorted that, so I won't be feeling that. I won't have that pain. They will have sorted it. But at 8,500 miles, which was November 2017, so I'd had the car for 6 months, just within 6 months actually, my engine failed. I had the coolant loss and the misfire on startup, so my head gasket had failed. Not good at all. So I had to have a new engine. Then recently, there's been a few uncertainties. I had the low rolling road reading. I actually think that was a bit of an error on the rolling road, because there's absolutely nothing wrong with the way this car goes. It's fantastic. So all these things, and the multiple trips to the dealership, and there have been many. I counted them up earlier on today, and I think I've been to the dealership once for the service and about 15 times for various niggles and things to get sorted. And it's just, as a quality product, it's a bit lacking in the quality. The service that I've had from the dealership that I use, which is Dinnage's Ford in Worthing, that's been absolutely A1. They've, bent over backwards to look after me in my car, but there's only so much they can do when the product itself is lacking. So that's the reasons why. That's the reasons why I'm changing the car. It's nothing to do with the way the car drives. It's fantastic, brilliant, epic. Really, really unique in what it does for a four-wheel drive hot hatch. The oversped rear wheels, the GKN Twinster system, it really is something unique out there. Game changer, that's a word that was used a lot. I actually think it is. I think it has changed the game. It brought something completely new to the hot hatch market. Sadly, not many people really appreciate it, because not that many people that I'm aware of, really get in these things and drive them properly and really use that back axle to do what it's designed to do. So it's time to move on. I'm, like I say, on my way to go and pick up the replacement for this now. Now, what am I replacing it with? Something worthy, I think. Something worthy that suits my driving style, my wants from a car. I think it's going to deliver everything I need from a car. If you have followed my journey with this car from day one, there's been quite a few videos. I'll put a link up to a playlist which has them all up in the corner of the video here. If you have followed it from day one, thank you very much for watching. Really appreciate all the comments and feedback and thoughts from other owners and other enthusiasts. It's been an interesting journey. Let's just say that, interesting. That's what I would say. Summing up, it is a truly fantastic car to drive, but in my experience and the experiences I've had so far, it's not that fantastic a car to own. Hopefully my next one will be. If you're interested to see what I'm replacing this with, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down. I'm sure there'll be a few of those, but please subscribe, and you'll see soon enough what I'm replacing this with. Thank you all very much for watching and joining me on the journey I've had in this car so far.